BAOD Extrusion specializes in advanced plastic extrusion equipment, delivering efficient and reliable TPU pneumatic tube extrusion solutions to clients worldwide. We provide fully integrated TPU pneumatic tube extrusion lines, from material feeding and extrusion to shaping, cooling, pulling, and winding, offering optimized performance and seamless integration. Our specially engineered screw and high-pressure die head ensure even plasticization and smooth extrusion of heat-sensitive TPU materials. The automatic vacuum sizing and independent water cooling system ensure precise tube dimensions and consistent cooling performance. Our laser diameter gauge monitors tube dimensions in real time. Through closed-loop control with the traction system, deviations are corrected automatically to ensure quality consistency. The servo-driven traction unit provides smooth operation, while the winder with tension control ensures tight and deformation-free coil winding. BAOD extrusion equipment is widely used in automotive, medical, and pneumatic industries, earning trust from customers around the world. With an experienced engineering team and a robust after-sale system, every step, from design to assembly and commissioning, is carefully controlled. BAOD Extrusion, your expert in plastic extrusion technology. We look forward to working with partners worldwide. Visit our website to learn more.